Tips for middle-aged men. Erection like stone and long raw. Hello dear ladies and gentlemen. An expert in the field of men's health. And in modern life today, I understand that men don't just want success in career, but always eager to maintain the style in life. Sex is an important factor. Contribute to the happiness of the family and personal confidence. And many people hope that, even though I'm in middle age, or even old age, they can still keep their desires and sexual ability as strong as it was in youth. And to achieve this, in addition to maintaining overall health through this diet, training, we need to pay attention to the methods. Simple care, but it's effective, right at home, that we are often overlooked. And I'd like to share with you today a wonderful secret from traditional medicine, combined with modern science. It's taking care of the navel. It's also called the God's bliss. To enhance physiological health and help middle-aged men, erection and stronger. First we need to understand, because the umbilical cord is a tiny part of the body, it's such a big role. According to traditional medicine, the navel, acupressure got defects. It's considered a center of the body. It converges blood and connect with vital organs, like this organ, reproductive system, urinary system and endocrine system. This grave is located in the path of the. It's one of 8 magical meridians. Plays the role of yin and yang regulator, balance the energy and maintain for the health of physiology. Let's imagine, as a fetus in the womb, the belly button is the only door to connect us to our mother through the umbilical cord. And this is the oxygen supply pathway, nutrients for the body to develop in a comprehensive way. And after birth, even though the umbilical cord was cut, and the navel area, there are still deep connections for the internal organs through the meridian and vascular systems. The special area of skin around the navel, it's very thin. There is less fat under the skin and contains thousands of nerve endings and small blood vessels. That's why the impact right into this area, it can bring unexpected benefits for health, and modern medicine agrees with this view. Studies have shown that the skin around the navel, it's one of the areas sensitivity on the body with high nerve density, and when gently stimulated, this area will improve the blood circulation. Enhanced circulation and oxygen. This nutrient goes to the reproductive organs. From there, it supports sexual health and improve erectile function in men. What's interesting is that these impacts, it's not just about physiology. It also has a positive psychological impact to help you feel more confident and comfortable. So taking care of the navel. What are the benefits for men? Let's go through this with me. The first, it's about enhancing sexual desire and ability. Where the blood flow around the navel is good, then the physiological energy is activated, help to improve desire and increase the control over that. This is what a lot of gentlemen want. Keep it up at any age, especially middle-aged men. Decline in testosterone levels and then decline, reduced desire, and the second thing is to improve blood circulation. The navel area is stimulated. It'll promote efficient blood flow to the area. This pelvic and genital organs. It supports the erectile process and prolong the relationship in a natural way. It helps give you a better erection. Effective performance in the process that I close. And that's the third thing. According to Chinese medicine, the navel has many close connections with the kidneys, the main body in which to maintain the energy of men. Take care of the umbilical cord properly, warm the abdomen, replenish the kidneys and strengthen the oxygen supply. It gives men stronger energy. And finally, it's about supporting health as a whole. In addition to the physiological impact, it's about taking care of the navel. It also helps improve digestion, boosts immunity and reduces stress. Improvements in sleep quality and indirect factors contribute to the performance of must be strong and enhance the overall health. And now I'm going to guide you the A methods done at home to get the most out of the grave. This defect. These ways are very simple. It doesn't take long and fit in with the busy pace of our lives. The first way is to rub the navel area with your hands. The first method is to gently massage the navel area. It's a habit that you just need to start doing every year, up to 7 minutes per day. And how to do as follows. Put your palms on the navel. Keep your hands warm so you can rub your hands together. and then gently rub it in a clockwise direction, or the opposite direction. Kim, is also depending on the pressure is just right. It makes you feel comfortable and comfortable. Then do it regularly. 50 to 100 rounds at a time. Best in the morning when you wake up, or at night before going to bed. The thing that this massage, it helps stimulate blood circulation, warming the abdomen and increasing the ability of internal organs to function. As a result, you will feel, which is a marked improvement in physiological health after a while of persistence. And the second way is to use wormwood to warm the umbilical region. The second method, it's for gentlemen who feel this cold body or fatigue due to oxygen weakening. Wormwood rescue is a traditional technique in Chinese medicine. It uses heat from wormwood to warm the body. And it's very simple to do as follows. The way to do it is very simple as follows. Let's prepare a wormwood cigarette. You can buy it at a pharmacy. Burning one end of a wormwood cigarette and then bring it closer to the navel, about 2 to 8 centimeters, until it feels warm. In a pleasant way, it starts to move gently around the navel. Do this about 10 times a day, every 5 to 10 minutes. Temperature from wormwood will penetrate through the skin, warming the abdomen and toning the kidneys, energies. This is a very effective way for those who have cold feet or decreased desire due to age. It will make your penis stronger. And the third way, it's a combination of massage and deep breathing. The third method is a combination of massage and deep breathing techniques to optimize the efficiency. And how to do it is as follows. Sit or lie in the most comfortable position. Put your hands on the navel and start rubbing gently, like the method 1. And when you breathe deeply through your nose, then imagine that the positive energy is going to be slowly radiates throughout the body, nourishing the internal organs. And as you breathe out slowly through your mouth, imagine that it's toxic gas and the stress it exits outbound through the navel. And repeat this for 5 to 7 minutes. And focus on a steady breath. And this method doesn't just help blood gas regulator, it's also relaxing, reducing stresses, which often negatively affects to sexual ability in men, and in addition to improving physiological health. Taking care of the umbilical cord has many benefits comprehensive for you that may feel after a period of application, like improving the digestive system. Then massaging the navel to stimulate digestive secretions, reduces constipation, bloating, helps the digestive system work more smoothly TAU, and then it boosts immunity. And as the blood circulates the system, immunity will be strengthened. It helps the body fight the feeling cold and common diseases. And it helps our bodies reduce the stress, stimulate the navel area, helps or relax this abdominal muscle, release the mental pressure, and bring a sense of comfort, and improve the quality of sleep. It's especially helpful for people who have trouble sleeping or wake up in the middle of the night. And a note when it's done. This method is to get the best results. It's about avoiding unnecessary mistakes. You need to keep a few notes in mind. The first is not to use too much force, because the skin around the navel is so thin. Just rub it gently, to avoid injury or discomfort. And the second is to avoid rubbing immediately after eating. Wait at least an hour or 2 after the meal, so maybe it doesn't affect digestion. And third, you should check the skin before doing it. If the skin around the navel is scratched or infected, or there's an unusual stain, then stop until it heals. And the fourth is to be persistent and consistent. It doesn't work right away. You need to maintain the habit. This is at least 2 to 3 weeks to feel the change. In addition, to optimize the results, I would advise you it should be combined with a healthy diet. This balanced eating, prefer foods rich in zinc and vitamins. Let's do some regular exercise, like walking, yoga, and getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Just a few minutes a day to take care of them. Navel area health. We're not just improving our sexual performance, it also improves overall health, in a natural and sustainable way. This is a method, simply inexpensive, suitable for everyone in today's busy pace of life. I believe that with perseverance and proper execution, you'll feel a distinct difference in my body. I wish you all the best. Keep up the form and enjoy life to the fullest. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me for advice. And remember to share this video so more people know. Don't forget to give me a like, so I'm motivated to share the next topics. Thank you for watching all the videos. Press the circular button in the middle of the screen to subscribe to the channel. You can watch other videos on the left or the right. And now, hello and see you in the next video.